AJ Squad. And Hide and Sister are back with another video, even though this is our first video because we need to YouTube. But today we're gonna, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a slime review. And what we say a slime review is when we just tell you the techniques of our slime and show you about it, give you ASMR about it, and stuff like that. But I want to start off first, and we just made the slime recently this afternoon, and it's late.
That means
right now.
If y'all don't know what that means, that means a slime, a slime material. ASMR means a slime material.
I need to see it because I hate when I can't see. Okay. So sorry for the background. If you have a family like mine, you will understand. But I'm gonna go first. If y'all can hear this.
He was only 37. I would have had my size too. I like it. And I know, I said, this is a perfect gift for mom and them. They give us $1 million. There you have it. I should go online and do it.
It's good at making bubbles, as you can see.
I'll do that. They comfortable too.
And now I'm gonna make a swirl. And after we done doing all the slime review stuff,
we're gonna start doing face, y'all.
We gon'
My face is cleared up so much. I'm just so happy. I gotta give me some of that for these.
we're gonna tell y'all what we made it with and in the video. So this video probably isn't gonna be that long.
That I got one time.
But we're gonna move on to Janae's slime.
Let's go, you guys.
But they might pay for that. I don't know.
Hold on, let me get the slime off my.
What's the name of it?
I'm gonna give a couple shout outs.
Okay, I'm done.
Like the people that we watch.
My pick kids up. Okay.
Alrighty, so.
Cause I'm not gonna change. I just changed the bed to Marilyn. Yeah, you can take a load back if you want. Yeah. I might stay over here for a bit. Wait till my stuff gets done.
Yeah, that's
that
good.
kitchen. Gonna clean up what? Finish cleaning up the kitchen.
Bye, Mom. Have a nice time
My
out.
house.
So it's good at making, what is it called? Poking sounds.
Y'all just going to Applebee's? That's where we going.
Bye. Bye, Mom.
Bye, love you.
Bring me some barbecue chicken back. Please.
He was gonna just
Why are you holding your coat like that, like something else?
say hi.
On the shirt and his pants. Pooch has been eating. That look even crazier though.
Say hi, Mom.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hey, I started to get that shirt.
Yeah, that was my mom.
Okay.
Okay, so
Told me it was cute.
thank you, Mom. That was just perfect.
Is it long sleeve too?
Okay, go.
Nope.
Yeah, it kind of was made like that.
No, make it closer, because it's about the slime, not us. So just make it
It's about the
closer.
slime, not us, so yeah, that's what we're doing.
Okay, so yeah, it's good at making bubble slime. Wait, I know that wasn't gonna be a good bubble, but it's good at making bubble squeezers. Okay.
I know. I've got to
Wait.
get to the gym. No, you don't.
Good at making bubbles. Okay.
I can't even get a key. How long that slime video gonna be?
It's not gonna be that long. It's only 4 minutes.
So it's
right
good at
now.
making bubbles. Yeah, it is.
Okay, we're gonna end the video out right now, and we're just gonna say
Bye, Jay. No, bye, AJ Squad.
it's A and J Squad.